Oh, that shade feels good, Chris. Hello.
I like this car. I think we should buy it.
Really?
Yeah. We just have nowhere to put it. That's the problem. It's not a lot of money. But it's pretty. The grill, it's...
Go ahead.
Well, you have to show the car first, don't you?
I had a chance to get a frame of gas.
Show this car. 1967 Chevrolet Impala. Looks to be all original. Might even have the original paint and interior. 59,000 original miles. If you want to get into the old car hobby at a pretty low price, relatively speaking, you could pick up this car for probably about $5,500 after negotiation and own a 45-year-old car.
Who are you?
I'm Joe Smith, car aficionado.
The brakes don't work.
You want to buy it, honey? You want to buy it, honey?
No.
We'll get rid of the family car. We'll make this the backup family car.
Okay.
We'll get rid of the wagon.
Okay.
You like this, Sarah? You like it? Gold interior? Could you get into that? Yeah? All original, that's right. What do you think? Sell the wagon for $1,000, buy this for $5,500? Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah. Hold on.